Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find Binance PAYID. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in and once you are on the home page of Binance, you are going to see this clock icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you simply need to tap on it, and once you do this, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see your PAYID. Now over here you will be able to see the option of copying your PAYID, and you can use this PAYID in order to send and receive your cryptos on Binance with other Binance user. So let's say you want to send crypto on Binance, so you will have to tap on send, and here you need to provide the payee's email address or their own Binance ID in order to continue. So with the help of this PAYID, you can claim a lot of rewards and you can send and receive money. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.